Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi. And today I'm going to make aji sauce. And you guys are probably wondering, what is aji sauce? It's basically a sauce, like it's a condiment, it's a Spanish condiment, mostly known in the Peruvian culture. They put it on rice and chicken, rice and beef. You could put it on potatoes. It tastes really good. You can put it on almost anything. So first I have one whole jalapeno, vined and de-seeded. I have 15 cloves of garlic and 2 cups of cilantro. And they're all washed and clean. I have a juice of 2 limes. Pour that in there. 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to put it in the blender, and I'm going to slowly add oil until it's well incorporated and I get the consistency that I'm looking for. And I'm going to tell you guys about how much oil I put in after I put it in. So let's get started. I'm going to put it on puree. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a mix to make sure that everything is mixing well. It smells so good. I can smell the lemon. Nice. It's too thick right now, so I'm going to blend it some more and add more oil.